Hi guys. Hi my people. Hi beautiful people. Hi everyone. Hello. Hello my people. Hello beautiful people. Good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon my people. Welcome you all guys. Welcome you all. Welcome you guys. It's me your girl. Yes. Yes, so now I take day free, Busy mom, busy mother, busy mommy, always busy. So that is I not get particular time where I take they come out. So I they come out when I get time. I dare outside since just the zuzu up and that they do the necessary things. So my people, now good afternoon. Hello Juliet. Hello everybody. Anybody will write say hello. Now go say hello to. Hello Mighty. Thank you for coming, my people. Not to fake life. Don't force people to accept what you are not. You are preaching it that I am this, I am this, I am good, I am bad, I am good. Meanwhile, you are not good, you are not bad, you are you are putting yourself where you really don't belong to. You understand? So just be one place. Let people be the judge of you. Say, this person. Now, so he be a very nice person, very straightforward person. This person, very nice. Oh, good afternoon, Joy. Thank you so much. Stop forcing people on yourself. Stop forcing people to say you are good, where you know you are not good. Deep down in your heart, you are not that name. You are trying to give yourself. You are forcing it on yourself, telling people to say yes, I'm this is me. Meanwhile, you can't manage what you are trying to put yourself, that you are a nice person, you are a good hearted person. Meanwhile, you are not. Make I you remove this idiot wey dey write it, put this red date. I not go dey waste time again. They say make I not dey waste time again. You understand? So let me just go and remove that idiot out of here. Go and open another fake account. That fake account go just make you. I know as I want to explain that. The time that time you take go open another fake account. So let me just remove you so that you understand. You understand? So let me just remove you. The time you will go and use to open another fake account, at least better people don't still learn one or two things. You don't force people to accept your own opinion. Say na you be see I don't block your generation. You see I don't block you comot. So I know yours they talk again. Anybody where you put red there that go you block you. So you go put another fake account take on, no problem. So make I just the block. I been don't want to do this video for Facebook, but I'll upload that for YouTube, no problem. This video is for Ole Esther TV. If any other channel carry this video, I go report that channel because this video now my YouTube now for one for do am before, but I also make I do am for you for Facebook. So me anybody not carry this video now my property be this one. So the video where I thought say mona carry. The one where I thought say mona not carry, mona leave am. So this video I want upload am for my YouTube. So me anybody not carry, I beg everybody mona not carry am, okay? If I see anybody wey carry the video, thank God say I even talk am for inside this video also, so that if I report the person, if the person go know say I talk and put for this video, even YouTube go know say I talk and put for inside this video, say make nobody carry am. So every other video where I not talk, you fit carry am, but the one wey be say I talk say make you not carry am, not carry am, you understand? So you can't force people to accept your dirty character, your stealing habits, your devil attitude. You say you force. It's only people like your type that will accept you for that evil that you are doing. Normal people where they think before they do, before they say anything, they go think before they say no, this person, no, he can't force me to accept him just like this. He can't force me to do what I'm not supposed to do. You can't force anyone. No, we are all adults. We are all married people. We are all ladies and gentlemen. You understand? Where are the ladies and gentlemen, big shout out to you guys. All the ladies and gentlemen wey no dey like bad thing, wey they no dey do bad thing to their fellow human being, we all of una, shout out to una, God go bless una. Wey una dey do wetin una want make other people dey do for una. You understand? Okay, I go correct am later. Now the only way I take right am, I can never say no to fake life. I will correct am later, no worry. Now the only I take right am. Thank you, my sister. Thank you. I go correct am later, no problem. I will correct am. You understand? Say no to fake life. Now I want bright. I go correct am. You understand? So my people, this one don still come. Make I remove am, no be me and una dey here. Una know where una go dey put that one na. Una more of una go stay one side together, because all those people no, God forbid bad thing o. I don talk am o. I no go answer una again. I go just dey remove una comot for my platform, because important people need to hear this message. You understand? People wey important. Make dem don come dey brainwash better people wey go for be better person for life. We all come go dey lis ten to wrong people, really lis ten to wrong talk wey no make sense. They'll go dey lis ten to am. You understand? My people, learn good thing for Facebook. There are a lot of platforms for this Facebook where be say you go follow, your life go better. It be like Blessing or no. Where they follow Blessing, who they follow Blessing, go and follow that lady. You will learn something, your life will change. You will learn a lot of things. Or like me now. You understand? Although say that they thought say I not get my topic, or me I get a lot of topic where I don't create for YouTube, they don't go wash. Now when it don't set like maybe they don't thief. You the person they thought say the thief when you thief no good though, or they don't go they cry for another person, your husband. You can't quarrel with them, say why they go do am, or maybe they the oppressed person or they bully person. You can't say why you do am. All their crew, because where they Facebook not be to come open people high. Now to come destroy. Now to come teach young people bad thing, how to trick people, collect their money, how to do evil. After you don't do and finish, you can't come and you can't say, I'm sorry. Tomorrow your sister start again, they insult people because say you don't feel collect their money. Next tomorrow you go say, I'm sorry. The other day, you go come out again. You go come begin they talk, say, who born you because say you dey work for one kind, or you dey, I don't know who you dey work for, because of say you know people, or because of say you say make people not talk. You say that you be Alpha and Omega. Now you be me while you they collect people money. Oh, all these people will not be anybody, so will not be anything. So now you they go meet them, say you want help them. Meanwhile, you want collect the small money where they for their hand. If those people can't talk now, you can't they insult them. You help me for this euro. Now two way. Now they take they get anything where you want get for this country where we do so. Especially if na documents, if na husband, if na wife, na two way. Now they take they get her. Either you get her in the genuine way, either you get her, you go pay your money, you go get her. So anybody will do that thing, not do bad thing, and that one not be help. But I'm not waiting me they call help. If it be say you just count your money, you just count and come and gidigba. Make I say remove this idiot where they put right there. May go meet them for that side. You just count your money gidigba, just come out. You understand? The money, you just pay for the person finish. It comes to the one may collect your money, join you. That one at thief, my people. Mona no accept that kind of person say na good night do. No, me I not feel accept. You feel accept, but for me, I not go out. I not go accept to you feel accept, but me I not go accept. Lie. I like when somebody like that don't make mistake. Constantly say don't come out for the word. Everybody, okay, I don't block these idiot people. You understand? I say I just they look anybody way put red dead, you are a goner. You understand? If he come out, come apologize, come do and say he go learn not to be do all those kind of things again. If he don't know what they call help, you go meet people like us who go explain out to and say, see as they take the help person. You understand? Nobody is above mistake. Nobody is above me myself. I see they made mistake. I know they perfect. That is why God give me my name and my mouth to say I'm sorry, forgive me. Any mistake where I make, sorry, na mistake now. Now no say I be only human. I go, not be say you will come out again, come they force people, make they accept your mistake with you. Say that mistake, na good you do, not be bad you do, na good you do. You understand? They watch anybody wey put right there because I know this my page. I need better people wey be say go help me, wey me go learn from, wey they go still learn from me. Now I dey here for. You understand? I not dey here for all those dog wey dey back. They come back from nothing next year. You not remove one thing. You see, you don't see the way I dey fresh. You know, see, Goy, he war you a year. So you want to use name or you go get to stock behind way even with the money they don't want it. So that kind of a human being. So I'm too big, you understand? So I'm just giving my better people with dey my page advice. Don't accept what you know. Make I remove this one with the red. Don't accept. Even if I go primary school, at least I can read what you write. She be primary school dropout. Okay. But I read primary school dropout, feel read what you write. You see? You see? Now this one that they talk now. Primary school dropout. If you read what you write. So me and you can stupid pass. The level where I don't reach today. Now the education where I get now make me because if to say I not go school, I for not fit sit down here. You understand? I will correct it later. I will correct it. You know, so these smartphones, if you dey write something, I think if you don't recall, crash, how do they call it? You know, cause strike. I beg, but leave my English on me again. You see, say you don't post am before. Don't worry, more na leave am. Even if I be primary school, even if na I be this anything, leave am. I beg. So far as I be read, I read past all those mumu wey dey brainwash una. This my Facebook where I dey do so. Nobody dey help me dey write something put o. That one I use am pass many of una. Na me dey write am by myself. You see? You see? Not to fake life. All those people that they employ people, help me write am, check am, do this one, they call people. I know they call anybody. With that one alone, a whole primary school dropouts, I better pass you. You see, say you don't lie for day. I read what you write. You see, say that you be mumu. So as I was saying, my people, any read that you go comment. Esther, please read your comments. You are insulting. Okay. She said she be University of UK dropout. Anyone wanna like Mona talk, you know, remove one something for my body. Even if I go university or I go anywhere, now still kitchen now use our end up. People wey go university, go everywhere, not be kitchen the day. Me now, I don't waka waka, I don't cook, do everything. Every day the same routine. So now kitchen I go use her take day. I bet you want me I be like all those backing dog for social media where be say they lose their motherhood. They food themselves everywhere. Hello, my sister, you dey watch me?
Yes, I dey watch you, and I want to know,
I dey hear you. I see, I no worry. I go write am again. I see am. No worry, yeah. I see, I go. They don't write am here. Many people don't write am. Yes. Thank you. I go correct am. No worry. So as I was saying, I just a quick do and make I round them up before my children go come back from speed plant. They give me 1 hour, make I take do video. So that make me your Russian. So it no matter, not there here really because of all this rubbish comment and because you know say many of them they are not happy with themselves. So who still they happy with herself? They suburb they pain them. If now only the way I all lose so big without makeup. Some people they find it difficult to. Oh God, beg go. You understand? So my people, as I was saying, me I not read comment again. Make a good afternoon, but something. You understand? So make I continue with my my topic. My people, don't accept what you yourself see that say this thing is wrong, and that person Not one. Make I feel correct her for you. May I correct her for you? You understand? That thing, you know, say, you understand, e not dey okay. The person can't dey force you, say, no, it dey okay. No, you must accept her. No, that person. I don't write her now. Say no to fake life. I don't write her now. Maybe go dey show for them now. So as I was saying, my people. Many people don't write her. Yes. Thank you. So I don't write her. Somebody put right there just now. Make I remove. I not go leave you. Go where there for the fight. Muna go park for that side. Yeah, not be una page again. We want make we build this page. May we tell evil people say somebody fit change from bad to good. Person, we need to discipline for this my page. No, any bad comment I go remove you because I know come. They say if you enter something, now the good thing with some people they do for inside, now you go learn. Why you come want try to they use yourself to be like people where it don't make sense? You understand? I don't know why you never say correct. You understand? I don't know why I never see change. So you understand? I go remove you now. If you not like me, not watch me, not worry. Go where the people where you like. Go. I beg. I don't need you here. You understand? If you not like me, the way I dey talk, I stand for the truth. You like me, they bring 100 ayelala paper come for me. I stand for the truth. The truth where I dey talk. Ayelala no go do me anything. As I say, I not talk say their juju not dey work, but na God that they serve. But I respect them. They call me. I go answer. They say, see waiting. I talk. Yes, I not lie. That is why they talk say, may person not give birth to pikin wey they lie. Omo not to you don't do something finish, you go dey lie. You go dey lie. You go dey lie. Just because of say you want eat from people where you dey insult say they be aduro. Just because of say you want oppress people where be say that they give you food though. Now their money now you take big risk where you day today because you don't get power to take work. You not get power to take work. Even if you go work because of the rubbish you push to your hand, lazy man or lazy woman, because of the nonsense what you they do. If you work, they go collect all the money. They not go remove one, leave one for you. So now this same Aduro people now they use Koni, they collect their 50 euro, collect their 100 euro, collect their money till they do where you want to be the man where you want to be today, but you still come back on the face camera. How they help, how they help, how they help, how they help. Where you even when you thief them, they catch you. So if you okay. People where they talk say shut up your mouth, not talk. Okay, now I encourage all this kind of thing may continue. Now I want me continue. Una no know say young people still they look social media where they learn all those things. They'll say, where that man do and that day. He can come and say na help in a good mind, in a good person, very nice person now be. Now this one now be get good mind. I got me when na bitter leave mind now you get. Bitter leave mind. Bitter leave mind. People like this, they many for this Europe we dey so. If some people open my contact, you be like one lady wey call me yesterday. He called me yesterday. I don't want to bring the matter on social media because of the young shall grow where he come. Where he tell me what one man like this kind man still do to Rame. I your beg and say, my sister, your rest. No worry. Thank God say it's over and everything don't do okay. Say yes, everything don't do okay. You understand? Some people they'll feel say that they help you, They go feel say that they help you. They go give you the miserable life for Europe. People wey even dey live for Italy go better pass you. People wey even dey for Africa go better pass you. You no go fit give your mama €5 make they eat every month just because of this kind people dey around you. So that's why they look some of una wey just dey talk say, shut up. Now good you do. Which kind good wey you pay buy something? He talk say no, maybe you come meet me now. You like my makeup or my hair. You ask me where for the sell or I dey sell. I'll say I dey sell or I don't dey sell to you. Then you'll see and the way they fit me, the way they fine. Finish, we go agree for the price. Later now, I can't give you another thing. I not only give you another thing, you go pay times 10 for that thing. You understand? When you pay times 10, I can't even use an inconvenience you more. You don't go the see food they eat. Your mama bitter. Your mama go dey imagine say any way boni yani ke oh no na we here na. Your mama go dey suffer, they follow different church, they go, they pray babalawo. You know say some people, some bitter leaf people where they feel say that they do good. Meanwhile, na evil they do. All the while na evil now they do. You understand? So we all have to the good people on social media. You know, say this social media, it get evil area for social media. It get good people area. So good people area now want me day with this. I understand your point, my lovely, beautiful mommy. God bless you. So if you day with me, day with me. If you not there with not gonna put right there for me, go where you feel go they insult me for another place. You feel go they talk anything for another place, but not talk here. No talk I not go green. Lie yo. I not green again because why? Enough of all this oppression of say I they do good for you. Meanwhile, you are eating from these people. Go if you wait the person on see you not get just go meet them. Where therefore they cause go kill your papa, go kill your mama, your papa na this, your papa na that. Don't go that side. Yeah, no, not fit you. Like you. I don't agree again. Anybody like me, you be my good friend, or you be my sister, you be my cousin, you be anything. I go block you out of this page because you don't belong here. Go where therefore they use conning me. I not be use conning for this my page because I speak the truth. You understand? Ayelala paper where they say they bring for me. I called him, I explained to her, say, they say me call them thief. Now only me one I call them thief for social media. Now I say, let me say now the whole social media now they go give Ayelala paper because why? Everybody condemn that thing. Say, it's not nice. Before that woman, you understand? You see, you where you the right and not to small cassava, you not get. Now because of una now I thought say small mona not cost nasha. When I go ask yes girlfriend, they go tell you that say you dey crazy. Everything they with our soundness. Everything they. So as I they talk, they come my people. No. To rubbish for social media, rubbish. You feel they teach your children for example, I say make he price something with somebody finish. You go come they use style they collect money. They teach your children. You don't even need to they teach all those things for social media. Later you can't change and say na good. What are you teaching the generation? What are you teaching your generation? What are you teaching them? If they teach that, they'll take they humiliate people, they collect people money, they sign, they force signature for person. They forge signature for person money. When you know say this person get pikin we want use the money feed. He get mama for Africa, he get papa for Africa. Where he go still say if month end because nobody go talk say no they give him mama money every month. You understand? Nobody we not get family one or two we go say if na €50 na €20. Okay, if you come they collect us those money now where he go for come say Queen, your comment not too bad, sha. Make I leave you. Any bad comment I go remove her because for me, he not concern me. He like me when they beat me, I go they talk the truth, but you not go beat me for this man. Your papa, make I remove you, idiots. I don't remove you. David Wise, I don't remove her. I mean, and you they do that one. You understand? Only the truth can set you free. Yes, God bless you. Only the truth. E like me that they cry, oh, hey, 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 people wey wan follow you. They know. They know. They fit accept you because of say maybe una don first thing meet. Because of una so rubbish evil. Now una dey do. You are una know una self now. You understand? Una know una self. I no go write queen o. I go block you o. Queen Bet, I go block you. I no go rest o. Because if to say you want make I rest for this matter, you for tell them make dem no go give me ayelala. Wey be say they just see for social media. But thank God the ayelala say I no need to swear. Say if na that one wey happen, where everybody condemn am, say my sister I no need to swear. Now say okay o, now rest. Say they even go against her, say wetin you do to that girl not supposed to do her. You understand? So me, I dey talk for better thing. That is why I don't need evil people for this my platform. Wetin not good. They do nonsenses. They me not even know whether they exist. But when I see that tears of that lady for Aproko, when I see the thing pay me, say, we are now. Oh, ye we vote now. My year where that made me come and come talk. He like me want cry for I make it cry. Anything una want to for una do. He like make una call all the police for this country, come for me, laugh on my head. Because na that one that you know how to do. All your evil, it go come back to you. He like you call the police for Germany. Now you they do evil, now you they call police for person. Now you they do evil. Now you they call you get some for women. Wait, be say you they chop their money, or they laugh for their head up and down. Since I was born, it may be me a bay. On my video, not there. Mona just dead there. Mona dead there. Mona they will say changing. Every 2 minutes, every 2 hours, night they change. You not go fit do me anything because the thing where I take wage my bag now, God. Now God. They say if you don't be small picky, you don't lie, you don't lie, you don't lie. This small picky, of course, they look you like rag. Rag, what they take they clean grant. Now you be no level for you. No level. You understand? So my people, my better people, as I was saying, say no to fake life. What you are not, you go dey preach am. You go dey force people. You go oppress them. You understand me? God bless you. They can never destroy them. No, they not go fit destroy Africa because camera don't they prove them wrong. Now camera announcing where people they announce them for Facebook. You tomorrow not fear again. If they do any evil to you, camera go carry on. If Nigeria not give justice for you, Europe go give justice for you. As far you are a Europe citizen, as far you are international citizen. You understand? No to all this evil. No to it. If you want to change, just change and be a better person. Be a better person. There are ways, things you will do. Legit money day. Legit money day, my people. You understand? Any bad comment, I not go dey talk say I want block you again. I go your remove you. I not go talk say I want block you. I go your remove you without nothing. You say we settle. We not settle. We not settle. He only carry me go which they call this place, so I don't forget the name of the place. He carry me go there. If they can say okay, since as the matter be so, now he carry me come say I say wife thief. Now I say yes, he really thief. They can settle as okay. They not go swear for any of us. But anywhere therefore they talk of me, make it not talk put. Anywhere therefore they talk of them, make I not still go talk put. Now this fake life man, he carry he hand go carry my girlfriend picture. Make I remove this one. We put red there to go miss your ancestors. May I remove her? Go put her for that. I not be here. You put her. Wow, I must remove you. Huh? I don't need all these people here. Make I quick remove her before I go remove the red there. Mona wait. Make I fair remove her first before we will continue. Make I fair remove her first too. Before we'll continue, I need better people. Me, they can't stay here, not be irrelevant people. See, you are gone. Pretty fake accounts. Go put another one. Clean. I still work. I give you. Now still work. Now I give you. Me, I still they block. Now 2 of them. I put her. Now I make her. Now so how they do her now. Now 2 of them. Now put her. That's now they call and say our politician not good. Our this one they chop our money. They be wicked people. Now una say una be wicked people. Una go see waiting not good. Una go your accept and say e good. Eh? Not be una dey cause am. This one wey your stiff. A whole fellow human being like una woman wey be say they very nice. See, you are gone pretty Doris. Go and meet your low life people. Una dey gather dey curse each other that side. Yeah, no, we don't need that. So as I was saying, my people, my lady, forget this man. I not go forget, oh. I not go forget. I wish say they not go ayelala because not be let me want to talk am. I forget. Because I be you do that video by your rest. Because no way your way not tie. You understand? So now so they carry me reach there, oh, the first one where they carry me go. Now I can't explain they all waiting, they don't do me. Now they see me. Wish me walk out of your hand now. Now you find trouble. Why you don't okay, more now rest. You understand? So now so we constitute rest. Let me still answer that Ayelala, the man beg me, make I rest, make I not talk him matter again. The man a very nice man. The Ayelala way call me. He say he no know, say they go put am for social media. You understand? Now I say I be one start to the yarn up pattern. Now the man come to say no, I beg. He no know, say he go put am for social media. You understand? Because he call me. I can't they call the number back, the number not big. Can't they enter me voice? Can't they enter me? But I say yes, not true. I talk no problem. Me go still talk my own. Mona see what happen. This is that you know. That man comes say no, okay, no worry. I don't know say. Me you just see evil. This kind of people they tell you say I be sugar at me wanna bitter leave my night get. I be good at me wanna what they call it? What bitter pass? Mona tell me that he get. You understand? Now so he go carry me and my friend because he see two of us put picture for Facebook. Now so this man go carry picture, begin to insult the lady, he insult and humiliate. Now that one cry come his space. Now because say me and you we carry picture. Then make this man now say Jesus now has really come and insult and with style too. And not still calling. Then you know say na him they talk to. Even some of those men they call me say why now? Now so now hear name for my mouth. I don't see call it name. Now what he do me? Now me still do one. I don't call it name because now he first starter. Now they come to say okay, they understand. Now they come say correct with a make it rest. Oh my God, ya van zi ati bon wo kiyen. Ati wo kiyen jigwe mi ami awe ikwere wo kere me wo koma. Mo wo koma. E o ma pay price me. O ma ri me yo wa. Me wo koma. Wo pari yo ku abi. Walk party your quarter, then not more de boto. You understand? Me ovokoma, me ovokawenuga ati ashago, ovokawenuga ati jazz, ovokawenuga ati ebona, game. Me ovokoma, oh, beari me yogwa, a plan wire fefe, yana fe, everything fe. Everything fair for now. Say your husband go soon leave her. Just like he not leave me because if na you and your useless tiffy wife, na do wetin fair happen the first time. You not go fair happen again because why? Now God now give me now my own be this. Now yo, you understand? You don't beat me finish. You don't make me talk to. I don't know as I want to explain her. You say make a short of work. Yeah, short of work, bell. Or to whom that is social media way or West Alago. Egwilao. Oh, when you give it ya way, ya more bug baby, my beggar. A body will come to your house and sit inside your house and cook rice for you to eat. You will eat it, you and your family. You go belefun now because why? Ima wish you were evil. Ima were rockba. You just want to bring me inside. You don't want to silence me. You don't want to see me. If these people they have the opportunity to tell German government to take my German passport from me, they will do it. But they forget that nobody be God. You yourself now, where you they look me to today, you say, "Na Esther consider insult me," but meanwhile you insult me for good 3 years. You laugh on my head. You laugh on my head. Good 3 years. You insulted me. I go sit down, go to wash. Wait this man. Wait till I do this one. Nothing, not jealousy. You know what me as that child. I said past you. Your wife. Everything. You see, all those rubbish people. You understand me? So, as I was saying, my people, anything where you do. Now, so if first it do me, how many years ago we go drink water for palace? He insult me, he told me, insult me. Small time enter fly go drink water. Ebony. Well, all over now. No, ya wait yeti. Wa ketikpa. U beg you na wo be. Wa ketikpa de yeti. You understand? May not beg me now, may rest now. Not be by force now. You understand? You understand me? You understand me? May not beg me now. Then only above your hand can't be. Above your hand, I can't go beg me because I'm going to your boom be. Yeah, when it the moon. Yeah, we look at the moon. So anybody wey say Esther shut up, not do this one, you join her they do evil again. Hey, Esther, go look that name for Bible. Esther, go check your mouth. Everybody, as all of them take gather together, they gather, they scatter. They go continue to scatter. When me. When they tell say, hey, I be good at, I be sweet at, me wanna bitter leaf at now you get. Bitter leaf. You understand? I know they tire. It was not be the way I tell they behave. Say, I say they force myself, follow people. They follow people. Maybe they for don't succeed. Keep it your way. No. If I just see your way, say, I just suffering. They my own. You understand? That's so it be. I wish as I just talk that day, see that thing where you do say it's not good. You understand? I just, they tire. No, I not go tire. Why I go tire for waiting? And waiting I want tire for. You know, yeah, the new one where you do again. Now 2 times, if na your mama, your papa, you will dey write and say, they tire. If na your papa, your generation, your children, then they carry go to juju place, the juju quarrel with the man, say, wetin you do not good. If na you go start to dey insult that kind evil man. Now let me want talk say the thing not good. Wait, go thief. Now let me want talk say not good. Why can't be say now let me want even the first video where I do na indirect. Now I talk to her, I not call his name. The second one now for can't call his name because he already come at the laugh for my head say give me 500. Meanwhile, don't give me 500. I'm already 500 in me. Meanwhile, not be my sister. My sister swear dey here. Now marriage carry they get paper. Nobody get paper through pikin. Lie. I been on my junior sister. You want to? Mama carry and come for Africa. All of us we dey Europe. Even my 2 senior sisters, be 3 of them, they don't enter Europe before me come Europe. The time where Europe be Europe, they don't they this already before me come. So can't tell me the one where you can't go put your juiceless hand. Tell me. You know say lie it dey loud well. It dey loud. Tell me the sister, or may you go collect the girl money now. Go collect the paper. Go collect her. Very useless set of people. Nothing when these people never do me. But if they do and they go fail. They don't call police lie to them for me. They don't even use my neighbor against me. They don't use people around me. They don't call many people. You say, make I not insult these people. Now God, I go punish your generation. When you go to us, make I not insult them. Whether they go carry your pikin, your mama, your papa, your children, you yourself, they send you a yellow for the man where he laugh for your head, where they oppress you continuously. Now God, I go punish you. Nothing when they never call, but not be everything I call live video, come they talk. As you still they talk, so if they walk on the ground, he give me a yellow paper, not be only a yellow paper. If I tell you wait, I don't see for inside body, but he not get level, he don't get sense. He don't get sense. He go come they talk say, I get good mind, I be this, I be that. Meanwhile, I get many agents. He get many agents where they send a message for evil. Hey, I just they laugh. I just dey laugh because where is a because in my planning that way, I did not go to anywhere for your case. I want to make God wait till you use your hand do that he go put you for problem. Amen. If I tell you now, waiting don't come meet me for this house is there. I don't use people against me. Go do this one. Go tell her. Go call. Go do this one. Everything I'm back to sender because God give me math. If they come, may I remove this idiot. Wait, poor ready. Why ready? Anybody, any ready, like maybe by mistake, you are gone. You say, make I not talk. I go talk. Oh, wise people where they watch me, they understand what I they talk. I know you talk and say, he do me like this, he do this one. No, now understand what I they talk. All the lie. He no go fit carry phone take out do one because no, they not yet the Dutch way they speak. But he go give people say go do this thing life for a year. Do this one. You know how many call many things where don't happen since then. Hey. They say, I get good that. I be good person. I be good person. A good person. So now because of say una get the evil one that they do together. Make I quick remove this red dead. I don't need to waste time for all these useless people. They don't need to if you know. Why you they remove her? Why you they remove her now? Go and check. Who is that? Okay. Please give me water to drink. Why you they remove her now? Leave her. Leave her. You don't need to remove her. You don't need to remove her, my people. May you go meet there. Very useless set of people. Why you they remove her, idiot? I not go rest, oh. I not go rest. No, sir, there's no ice cream inside. And you are not allowed to eat. You are not allowed to eat that ice cream today. No, that's where my video go. No, today no ice cream. You know I give you straffer because I asked you not to do something today. You do it because of that. No ice cream for you. You understand? It's also not allowed this for tomorrow. You understand, my people? Continue talking. See this idiot, low life. Go out of here. Go out of here. Even if not 10 people.
Can I please eat one chewing-gum? Can I eat one chewing-gum?
No. Go. Nora is no longer outside.
She got with her sister to Shrew class.
Okay. Call your brother. No.
Can I go to Shrew class too?
No, because their brother is not going with them.
Fatma is...
No, don't worry. Let me finish my video. If I want to, I will go with you.
Her sister is...
No, her sister is not big enough. Sit down. Don't talk inside my video. Her sister is not big enough. I will go with you.
Her big sister.
No. If her mother is not there, no.
I don't want to go with them.
Why they don't ask me? Don't talk to me. These children. Don't go anywhere. Please look at her. You hear what I said? So anybody will put Candy, go hide yourself, go kill yourself, okay? We say no to baby trafficking. God bless you. No to baby trafficking. No to oppression. No to where you don't do something finish. You say make people shut up. No to that. Don't use that to swear my video. You know I'm on live video. Stop it now. Because these people that you are seeing here, they are waiting for their head to make mistake. Because a lot of evil people is here watching me, but good people are so here. But now evil, now many pass evil. Because now to they destroy people. Where people where they destroy, where they now those people now that they like. But where they talk true, they talk say no to all this evil thing where they do. They know they like us. But now few people they like people like us where they talk true, and I stand for my ground. I stand. You understand? I stand for my ground. So, That be the thing my better people wey dey watch me o. I dey look anybody wey put red head. E dey show for here. Anybody, if you put am, not block me or not quick run o, you wait. You understand? You wait. Evil people. See am. See am who put red head. Evil people. Mona not change. I don't block am. Who put the red head again? Make I remove her. Evil. Just dey put am till you tire. Low life people, criminal setup people, mumu people, mumu troublemaker people. Yes, troublemaker people, troublemaker people, troublemaker people. I don't block the comot here. I need better people. Hey, where better people wey they go come this my platform, eh? They go even dey hear me, they insult them, say make they change their way, make they not they do evil again. That's what they go do to them. You feel say mumu na mumu not me say not be me. Now me they talk to. If you be say now all those evil people, now you they talk to. So no problem. Make they change or evil not good. How many people person remain? That person where you put red, why you run now? Wait. Yeah, smelly fish group. Yeah, they smell evil. Just see they don't you gather together. Now these people now know say they get person where they say if person they another person they do live video. They get person where they say make it they go. You understand? May I read wetin this person right? Esther life. Leave a pa alone. Hey. Tell a pa leave me alone. Now he carry ayelala paper come for me. Everybody call her thief. Now let me want call her thief. Now let me want call her thief. Eh? Now let me want tell her say wetin he do not good. Why can't be say I talk I not call name? It be like see you. It be like you this idiot now. Where come right say leave a pa alone. Now you call a pa name. Me not call a name. I name not be evil a pa even if you talk say a pa. You understand? I see that in pay me. I did this country here. I know how it be. Even with the money where they give you self, the way things stay they dear for you. It's not easy. No talk of say one person go you they carry all of them. Even both the more than money, you go they collect all of them, put for a pocket for more than 1 year. That one na air fire. Air fire. You understand? So I talk about I rest. The next thing, I give your sister. I beg go collect her for my sister hand where you give. I give your sister 500. I give you 500. I give your sister. Oh, salopanu dasi. You know? Okay, make a your rest like that. Make I remove you here. Make I remove you here. Any back comment, when I go they open another fake account. Me, I not get time. That is why even if they insult me, I go there with my account. Go they look, I not talk because I don't want me you block me. Because I not go open another one. You understand? I not go open another one. I not get that time. Why you go put match for the matter? Why I not go put match for the matter? Your ear not they work since where I talk say na if find me see all waiting do. Your ear not they work. I put mouth for the matter, not call in name. I see they use it direct, they find me now. Some mistake give them back. Not be where he call my name, not be here I consult say okay. Now you know say now you are the talk okay now you wait till you go do useless man. Baby trafficking must stop. Human trafficking must stop. Oppression must stop. It must stop. Either you people like it or not. Make I remove this one where you put that one redded. Make I remove oh. He never show for you go show. There you go. May you go there. Mona go they learn how to they do baba thing for that side. Mona go they learn how to they do people evil. Mona go don't worry. Yeah, don't fit to at all. Yeah, now for better people because me. I know they do evil, not talk of say as me you stay with me. So go where there for the doer, where for the apple, where the for the first people say I be good person, I be good person, I not be thief, I be this, I be that. You must accept say I be good person. You must accept say I be good person. By force, you I be good person. I they do help. I help you. I help you. I be good person. I be good person. I dey help. I dey help. Meanwhile, you dey thief. You dey thief. Help. If you want help person, not just collect money. Are you still there? Do it by yourself because I don't want to live here. You understand? You understand? You understand me? I be good somebody. I be good person. I be this. I be that. Meanwhile, you are not. I be this. I be that. Meanwhile, you don't be. You be thief. You be thief. You be thief. What are you teaching your children? You be thief. Change from thief. If you can be able to leave a good legacy and put a good thing on social media, people will remember you for. Not be person be John Osagie. Not be person be Agameya Wefe. Not be person be Esther Talk Show. Not be person be many other people like that. Not be person. All those are not human beings. All those one must they carry you all the time come and say see now only you want today you go back tomorrow you not go back next tomorrow you go come again. You know many people wey fear not let talk come out now. You know how many before God come push this girl gather and mind wey can't take come out. You dey force people like us wey be say we don't see you say na so you be nothing go change you. Mona just how many months we dey for? It be like how many months we dey for this month? Now 7 months, I be 8 months for this month. Before ending of this year, this kind of thing go still happen again. No, I'm using it to hold something. Let me finish first. Very soon I will end the video, okay? Just sit down. Mona still put short time, Mona still put short time. Now God go bless John Osagie. Now God go bless Agameya Wefe. Now God go bless every other foundation where they really they help they did this. Where they God go still bless some good Nigeria people where they this Europe. God go still bless good Nigeria women and men where they really they do the real help. Me, I don't help many people without collecting money. Not be say I sign for them. Not be say no, I will just come and volunteer. Any office where they go, I go follow them. Go make sure say they get their stay, they get their document in the right way. You understand? I don't help many people. They follow them, they go from one appointment to another, one place. That is help. That is help. Not be one girl coming from Italy that they call the girl Itoan. He there for Italy. This girl call me. He say he not well. He dey sick. Say but see wetin our brother John Osagie do for her. Say your caller from Europe here. Say the stage where in there for yeah. You know they fit send papa money. You know they fit send mama money. Papa dey sick. Papa want die their house for their window. Their window there is the roof of the papa house for. So because of that one, and she not fit send money, she herself not well. You understand? Nothing. Even she herself need there for yeah. He said that's so he call our brother John Osagie. That's so brother John Osagie, you go meet that girl papa for Nigeria. He use the money. He put roof for that house. He put roof for that. He carried that man go hospital. He fix the leg of the man. He do everything. Now those one that be help. But Osage don't collect €1. Even John Osage come dey talk say he go fast, he go take send money. Make they take buy drugs for the girl for here. The voice message dey with me for this my phone. Many testimony where I go give you. Now that one I be good. You don't still get one lady for here. I no wan call the name. Now this same thing wey you say you do so. Na that lady do. The man wey do am for her. You see the way this girl come take dey soak, man dey cook only spaghetti dey eat. The spaghetti make it for see. May take me top. Now this man say leave her, not worry, leave her. I see say you don't dey fit it again because of may you pay my money, leave her. Those are good. Those are good. If una don't know wetin be good, my people, make I dey tell una. Make I dey tell una wetin be good. Wetin be good. That many say Leo still beat me for my good way I do. Leo come this place. He say he can't look for work. He get 0-0. Me I dey tell una they take they do good. Leo get 0-0. He say he can't look for work. He friends where they promise her to call carry her for train station. They can't disappoint her for there. They can't change number put for yet for train station. So Leo no come know where to go. He can't remember say he get one sister for Germany for here. But where his sister they far from my city. Where me they stay. Maybe like 6 hours away. Then they can't call their sister. Say they need somebody, their brother stranded for there. Then I come to say, one of his junior sister they close to where you did there. Make a by caller where they go feel help. Now so I take go there. Say this man and my brother Aduro. I now tell you so. Now my brother now work he can't look for. Not be Aduro he can't. He say now because of say people wey want help her, they disappoint and they leave her for junction. Now other people come prescribe Aduro as the next option because he don't get money. He's stranded. You understand? He don't get money. Maybe for see where to they stay. They leave her for train station. You understand? Then they come to describe Aduro as for her because he gets 0-0. Then they take go Aduro as. They go put her for Aduro as. They even collect the paper put for one side. Now I take go there. I go meet them with my own passport, Nigeria passport. That I never even get German passport there. I go there. I don't fear. Say I don't know whether I do bad. I go there. That is good. I go there. I sign paper. Say now my brother. This my brother can't look for work. Now so I take carry that brother back on my house because of my sister. He can't stay for inside my house. Yeah. I help am find woman. If we go party, I go dey toast woman for her because I want make a position. My food I feed her, I clothe her. Now make thing that they fight me where they pay me, where I cry for that video that day. Because the sacrifice, where I sacrifice for Leo, if to say not be me, Leo for not dey Germany today. As I take the help and they find woman, now so I see take the help and now those one I be help. He don't give me €1. I not collecting money. Now those one I be help, you hear? So you feel force mumu people, blind people. For them say them on top, say, you be good man, you be good man, you be good one. They feel acceptance from you. People like us. We don't feel acceptance because you don't do us. You don't laugh for our head. You don't give us the name will not be our own. You want silent us, more we us, more you want day. For where who dash you? Who tell you say now only you want there? They make this Europe for or even Nigeria. Now your papa get European. Now you poor people that get European, not be you. You are only a thief, a criminal. That is not how to help. May I call many people name. You still get one lady too. For this Germany, that's the way you say you do. So group of one church where I fed they go, they gather money. Take one for one lady because of the way she take nice. Free! They do one for her. Without no stress. Now that one I be good. Now that one I be good. If they even find out, if they say that girl not go shame, he won't really say the truth of the matter. You're surprised now say you don't still go they force her. They do and join her. If they use advantage. You go do her because nothing where you not go do, nothing where you never do. Nothing. If they really check and maybe that girl one open man now, where be say all the time you go meet her, maybe you make an autonoma over and you always say no be a jojo. That is why you they go there. You see say na mugu, you feel use her, you feel do anything to her. That make her change. If you don't want change because of anybody, change because of your children. Change. and stop forcing people to accept your evil with you. Hey, the whole world feel accept and me lie you. Not because all the hurt, all the oppression, all the oppression, not be because of that one, because I believe you will never change. But you prove me wrong now. May will say this remaining 4 months will remain for this year. Say make you no come out again. Make they don't see you for anything again. Make they don't see you for anything. Oguweyaya. Eguweyaya. Eguweyaya awa. Oguweyaweya. Eh? So I dey look for person wey put this to make I remove her. Because Mona go meet together for the square people for that side. Together for the life of people head. Mona go that side. Here not fit tonight. I just still block one useless person. Mom. Low life. Don't call my name. Quiet and sit down. Okay. No, I don't want to put it there. Okay, let me put it here. But if I give you this, I hope you will close your mouth. So since I give you now, I hope you will close your mouth. So as I was saying, you understand? Mona give her nothing January tomorrow or next tomorrow. If they come back una for live video, meanwhile don't carry me go ayelala. He don't go they lie. He don't do this or that kind of a human being where you thief. Not be only me want to do video. Eh? Not be only me want to do video. Hello, daddy. And you don't close. I did, as I did do one live video for Facebook. They call us now. Later now. They come now, they come. Okay. Cheers. You understand? Now, so they say they do good. Many good when I go talk. Wait, be say some brothers, they go day here, their friend go come, you go day straight, they go put them for us thing, they get woman. Now those are not be good. You understand? Because before you see friend where go be say, you go tell you say, yeah, good will come before una like this, una come see spoiler. So, but una not fit spoil Germany. Germany they good. Germany no, una not go fit spoiler. Like una not fit break una agbero lifestyle. So una want take come here, can't take spoil. Now una self, now una want. Take your time. Go and tell your brother to check his time. Is he not going to training? It's almost 3 o'clock. Oh.
Check your time.
Check your time. I beg you when you they talk, say forget this matter, Sandra. My sister. I will say no go give me a yelala for rest. I want to concern me as I don't see talk man. It's going yours now. You dress already. Okay. You understand? I will say no go give me a yelala. I for not even talk about the matter again. But I will still there. No, he said that he helped them now. You know, so all those people now. You know where many people where they join and many of them that time the time where they stop human trafficking. You know, say many of them are human trafficking where people say he know that time. He no agree come out, come bring them come out. He did use money. I did collect bribe for their hand. One woman one day just call me say where I did they talk say you want to do this. He say as editor say want to do the money where he still give Eddie for Nigeria. I did go give her the money back. Now wait till he talk. He say because he say we no muime ove mwedi. We no muime ove mwedi. Now wait till he talk. You understand? So now those people now una say he carry and put for head. Ya mwego here. Ya mwego here. You understand? Now those people, me now in my brain, I never do before. Even if you tell people, make they call police for me, if they come, they see me, they go see come out. But now waiting use the app do. Now I go put them for that place because now I go put them there. You go drop her inside there. You go lock and clunk. You understand? So you can't just come out and say everybody shut up. I'm like this. I'm like the meanwhile you not be anything. You not be nothing. You not be nothing. Me everybody shut up. That's why I be. That's why I be. People blind. People blind. They feel keep you quiet. May you not insult them or may you not expose them. Person like me, you don't insult me with lie. You don't. What you want to talk again? What you want to talk again? That one, no more they go to. I say I don't answer that one again because that one is depressed. You understand? That one way do abomination to his children. They remove his children from her. So that kind me and that kind person will come they back. No, I make Almighty do her back. Esther, please forgive. No, he has to come out and do the right thing. Come on social media say, he might be here more you are. He might take bed, he might take BVA. Even saving your as an ogikbok women. I mean they tell the whole social media and I say I be wish because the that way they insult me. He said I gotta be me more the year king again me. So you are I'm telling this live video now. Because we grow for the same place. We gotta do things together as children. Okay, wait till I go come to now. I'm not gonna still fight for my life. Maybe myself still day away. Sis, I don't just know. I don't just know. Mo give them because we can't be very wicked people, animal. I better make I leave Facebook, then make I go do better thing. You Mercy Bello, pack your logo go one side, You know, say I don't want mind you. If you write any other one again, I go block you. Then you come up for you. I know say you go put another one again.
Don't let me play. Don't let me confess.
I look. Wait. Don't go. What I told you yesterday, I say sit down here. Is it not what I told you? If you open this thing and you stay here now, or you go to your room. Do you understand me? You understand me? So Mercy Bello, behave yourself. Oh. If not, I go block you or you go put another one. Okay. Because una way una day here so. Now me person for now una day. So you not concern me. So as I was saying, leave fake life alone. Leave fake life alone. Leave fake life alone. Audio life. No. All the bad people, the worstest people for social media, all of them don't they one group now. All of them don't they one side. It go hot. It go see hot for their head. Because why? They go plan, they go scatter. All of them don't they one side now. All the evil people. All the devil people, all of them don't gather for one place now. Mona see, they'll begin to bully people. They'll begin to lie. They'll begin to... Mona wash. Mona wash. Mona continue. You understand? Beautiful face. Thank you so much. So, my people, not be saying I go come. If I tell you now, waiting me at the face since then, because of these evil people, they forget say me, I know my rights. I know they put my hand for crime. You understand? I know they try. If they do crime, I go leave. I beg no reply if you leave you. No, I know that one a human being. God forbid bad thing. He was saving of a drug. Who would he answer? He answer, oh God forbid bad thing. I know answer that one a human being. That one a human being. God forbid bad. God forbid though. That one a human being. So I don't explain what it be help for now already. I don't explain what it be help for now. So Mona not let anybody go sleep, no matter, it's not bad. Go sleep, no problem for go sleep. Make I see any other rubbish that will block you. Go sleep, no be problem. You understand? So, Mona, not worry. My people will love me. I love una. Na God go bless una. Na God go protect una. Mona, not see. Go back to school. Don't worry. I don't need to go back to school. The way I did right now is okay for me, my sister. I beg. Every school where I go, I don't go out for Germany. So, you don't help me. Gladys na person. That woman. Na dog na. I beg you. Not be you the me the waiting you cook today. Now that one I want. Yeah. I just cook spaghetti for my children, but later I'll prepare something nice again as evening food. Okay. Go and give me water, darling. Okay? Thank you. Give me water. Give me the one there. You understand? God bless you too, my sister Edith. Thank you so much. You understand? Because of all these people where they say that they do good, so I bet more now leave and we don't need. You can risk it and wait. Let me put water inside. Go and risk it. You throw it away and you understand. Mona not do good again. We don't want all this kind of good. Mona leave people like yes outside or John outside give me they do good. People like us because not be everything I go talk. People we adore her for this country they know. You understand? So leave people like us. Even if they do good, you understand? Because now my good. Now carry me reach where I did today. I mean myself, I not believe myself. Because some people they you do good for them. They go want kill you for the good. Some people they if you do good for them, they go help you. Some people they don't even need to help you, but maybe they all leave you. Maybe they all leave you. May you for live your life. May you for still get time, still take help another person. Some people not go leave you. I better talk everything. I not go talk again. So it don't finish. I not go talk everything. I just stop for there. All the small point where I throw away. If she and the wife don't come watch this way, they'll say yes, star. About that, me because go water. Germany na country where people say if you lie, they go investigate. Go water. But wetin una do, the evil one una do, na go put una enter jail. They'll lock una for inside. But me go talk. No, now una go by una self. One day for thief, one day for the owner. You understand? No talk, oh. No, I know they talk, oh. I know they talk, oh. Go look for a job. No, this time no work because of coronavirus. I get picky where they take care of. I hope I answer you. Okay? Please, Esther, help me look for a job. I need job. Work dey sharp for single man, single woman wey be say you no get small pikin for hand. You understand? You fit get job. But if you know Esther Iyore, you understand? You understand? So I don't know whether you understand me, my people. I don't know whether you understand me. Mona, stop those fake audio good one that they do. We don't want to see am. Even the ayelala way go bring. That one say, that because of that woman way happen. Now say yes, so. Now say yeah. Now say that me supposed to carry ayelala come for am because where they swear for person. I want make wetin use the hand do. Sarah, not be me. Because I don't know the reason why. Because if really say as in they claim say in a good man, in a good mind, he's supposed to give everybody. Because I know the way many people take talk.